Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study history in 1 hour. First, begin by identifying the most crucial themes and major events within your chosen historical period. Don't try to cover everything. Instead, focus on the big picture. Next, utilize a concise summary or a well-structured timeline to quickly grasp the overarching narrative. Finally, prioritize understanding the cause and effect relationships between events, as this offers deeper insight than simply memorizing isolated facts. To maximize your 1 hour, engage in active learning. Try creating a mental map or a simple diagram to visually connect different historical concepts and their relationships. This helps organize complex information. Next, practice explaining key events aloud in your own words. This active recall method significantly strengthens memory and comprehension. Remember to always ask why an event happened rather than just what happened for a richer understanding. Efficient resource utilization is key. Select just 1 or 2 high-quality, concise resources, like a reputable online encyclopedia entry or a chapter summary, to avoid information overload. Don't read every word. Instead, skim headings, subheadings, and any bolded text to quickly identify the main points and arguments. Finally, dedicate at least 15 minutes of your hour to reviewing your notes and self-testing your understanding of the core concepts. To ensure better retention, connect the new historical information you've learned to any existing knowledge you already possess. This creates a stronger mental framework. Also, consider how historical patterns and lessons might apply to current events or situations, making the past more relevant and memorable. For those looking to deepen their understanding of financial wisdom, check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money. Along with other valuable deals, keep exploring history.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.